Hey guys, this video is dedicated to the hill climb test. Let's see how the Ola performs.
So we have 93% battery and 126 kilometers in range in normal mode. So I'm going to do the hill climb test. So it's 29 degrees according to the dash. I'll be using only normal mode until I reach the destination and start testing. Probably I'll shift modes only after the test is done. I want the engine to be as normal as possible until we start testing it. So there's a place called Birla Mandir. That is the only place I could think of within city where I could get a proper climb, an inclined road. So I thought, why not go there and get that test. I remember once when I went in my car, I remember experiencing a very slant road over there. So I felt that would be the best location to test all the modes. Killer traffic, guys, very bad traffic. So we are about to enter the iconic Tangband road. This is the entrance of the Tangband. That's the Buddha on the right. I think normal mode is doing 80, 81. I told you we are going to Birla Mandir, right? So that is the Birla Mandir. You can see on the top, that is the Birla Mandir. So there's an inclined road over there. So that is my target. We are going there now. As we have reached the Birla Mandir area, I'll change the mode to light so that you guys can see it clearly. We are at 33 degrees. We are in normal mode. We are to Birla Mandir Planetarium.
We are at the entrance of the Birla Mandir right now, and this is the spot where we have the steepest incline possible.
This is the steep I was talking about. Okay, what if I had to stop here? Will the bike take off? Very slow, guys. So temperature at 34, 33, 34, it's fluctuating. I'm releasing the brake with full throttle on. It is moving up but very slow. Let's see if it catches the pace. Yes, it is definitely catching the pace. But it's very bad. What if I had to stop here again? Full throttle, leave the brake.
It does take off, but it takes a lot of time. It struggles a lot to climb. The first normal mode test is done. We'll be testing the other two modes.
See the slope, it's crazy slope, guys. Now I'll come back with sports mode. In the normal mode, I guess you guys understood, it's taking time, but it is eventually climbing the road. But I don't think it would be easy to climb on doubles.
I found one more steep road here. Let's try climbing this in normal mode.
Okay. What if Ola had to stop here due to traffic?
Will it climb it is the question.
Right? Full throttle, leave brake. No, guys, it is not moving.
It is holding the bike in place. It's not rolling me back, but it's not moving up. I switched to sports mode.
Once I change mode, it automatically started pulling up. Whenever you're stuck in such situation, you just have to shift modes. Okay, now it's time to test sports mode. I'll check the temperature. Temperature at 34. Too many kids. Okay, what if I stopped here? Full throttle, leave brake. Sports mode can do it, is what I feel.
High temperature. Changing to normal mode in 10 seconds.
Seriously? I just did one small slope. This is too much. Let me check the temperature. Like I just did one small slope, guys. 34 degrees.
High temperature. Cannot switch modes.
I'll take a small break. It's 11:34 a.m. We'll take a 5 minutes break and come back. I'll show you guys the view from here. That is the Buddha statue. Holding the brake. Power. Temperature is 34. I only have normal mode here. Okay. Sports. Hyper. I'm able to use all the modes. Temperature is down. The temperature here is the same. And one thing I observed, once your bike moves to high temperature mode, you will see only normal mode here. You won't be able to see other modes. Okay, anyways, we took some break and we are able to toggle all modes. We'll test hyper mode now. Back to the same road, testing the hyper mode now. So what if we are on hyper mode and I have to stop here? Right. Full throttle, leave brake. It will, guys. Let's check normal again. Full throttle, leave brake. It is trying, but it won't. It is trying. It's definitely trying. Yes, it took time, but yeah, eventually it did climb. Okay, back to hyper mode as planned. I'll take 2 breaks on the hyper mode on the uphill. So this is the uphill. We will wait here. Cool. Temperature at 34. Full throttle on. Disengaging the brake. Guys, hyper mode is not at all a problem. Don't leave your brake before you give throttle. You might not be able to control it. Have your throttle on, leave the brake, and probably it will take off. This is the steep.
High temperature. Changing to normal mode in 10 seconds.
Why again? Guys, whenever I'm trying to use one hill climb, it is moving to high temperature. That's a very bad sign. Temperature is 35. I feel this temperature is overall temperature, not the engine's temperature. Why would it move to high temperature in just 35?
High temperature. Cannot switch modes.
Cannot switch mode. See, I'll just try to reset. I just have to go back to park to reset. Reset is done. It's booting up. I just want to check if it's in high temperature, what will happen if you reset? Will your modes come back? Will the bike by default say the temperature is normal? Let's see. Welcome screen. 35 degrees. All the modes are back. On. I'm able to use all the modes. As I told you, a reset is changing your access to modes whenever it's in high temperature. I don't understand the logic. Anyways, I want to do a one last hill climb on the normal mode.
Considering the fact that we did a reset post high temperature, I just want to check if the bike will throw us back to high temperature mode.
Let's shift to normal. Stop here. Full throttle, leave brake. This is a very steep slope, it's not working here. I'll just shift mode.
High temperature. Cannot switch modes.
Cannot switch modes. Even the reset showed me all, but it's in high temperature now.
High temperature. Cannot switch modes.
What should I do in such situation when I'm stuck? Okay, full throttle is giving me hill hold. No, it's not even giving hill hold. It's not even holding me now, guys. It's throwing me back.
Changing to eco mode in 10 seconds.
Seriously? Eco mode is not even holding the bike. Just throwing me back.
High temperature. Cannot switch modes.
I'm doing a reset again over the eco mode. It's not recommended, but I'm just testing if other modes will be back. Okay, resetting it, the scooter came back to normal mode from eco.
High temperature. Cannot switch modes.
Okay, I did a reset. Normal mode is not climbing. I just have to walk it off. Just checking if the throttle is on and I'm not sitting. The bike is climbing. I'm not putting any pressure. I could have went back down.
High temperature. Changing to eco mode in 10 seconds.
Bad man, very bad.
Riding down the same slope. We are stuck with eco mode now.
I have to go back home in eco mode. Seriously? Guys, eco mode is bad. Like really bad. I'm not able to climb even this. It's a normal road.
I'm literally walking with eco mode on full throttle. This is like using drag mode on the bound scooter. If you guys had eco mode due to high temperature, I would suggest to stop somewhere for a while.
It was a small slope. It couldn't even climb that. In eco mode. I guess there's a bit slope here, so probably it should take off. Guys, temperature is a very big issue on this bike. Eco mode. I'm not even able to climb this small slope. I had to use it like drag mode to walk it. See that slope? Very small slope. I hope this is solved. Anyone who is staying in hilly areas, wait for the updates of the softwares. Let's see if they can fix anything on the software. If not, only time can answer this question. Let's wait. I just tried to reset it once because I need at least normal mode to go home.
High temperature. Cannot switch modes.
Ola is up. It's booting. Can't see anything if I don't put my hands. Which mode do I have? 35 degrees. All modes are showing. Normal mode. Sports, hyper. Guys, you'll get all the modes back.
The simple reset might give you your modes back, but there is high probability of scooter throwing you back to normal or eco mode depending on the temperature fluctuations.
Not recommended to reset and get back the modes, but just showing you guys how it works. You can't even dare to switch to sports or hyper. What if it falls to eco? It'll take forever to reach home.
So eco mode kicks in two situations. One is temperature, one is low battery. Eco mode performs way better when it is in low battery mode. But the eco mode is on due to high temperature, don't expect performance from it.
So there's good breeze over here. Probably I'm thinking the air will cool down the motor and the battery system. I would not suggest you to reset it to come to normal mode whenever it's in eco, because that might damage your motor and battery. There are high chances, but again, the Ola software will not let you stay in normal mode for a longer time if the temperature keeps crawling up. Temperature is very hot outside. This meter says 37. The scooter is burning hot. I'm not even able to touch it properly. It's very hot. 82 kilometers left in normal mode. Not pushing it to its limit. I'm just using 30 to 40% of throttle and also letting it breathe little air so that it cools down. See, normal mode is more than enough, guys. If you are in the city, stick to normal mode. You will not have any sort of problems. Hyper and sports during summer and peak hot seasons, just stay away. The only solution for high temperature, what I feel, is Ola has to find a cooling system for the bike. It cannot rely on the heat sink. Guys, I almost reached, so I tried to switch for the first time after that hill climb.
High temperature. Cannot switch modes.
It again moved back to high temperature. If you're buying this for hilly areas, I will say just wait, and let's wait for the updates from Ola. I wish they come up with a cooling system. The overall cooling system has to be improved. Battery and motor, both. The cooling system has to be given priority.
That's it for this one, guys. Stay tuned. Until next time.